One of the newest methods for getting tons of views and attention online is live event viewing. Especially on video games, things like Twitch have gotten very popular, especially off of live events. So what you want to be able to do is know how to make a live event on your YouTube channel. Here's how you do it. So you can go to Video Manager, and then there's a live events tab if your account is in good standing and if you have everything set up right, which there shouldn't be too much to do, but I know on mine I've got live events. So this should be there on yours if your account's in good standing. Now what I want to do is create a new live event. Tomorrow I'm going to try one of these live events on my channel. I'm going to try when the new zombie map releases for Call of Duty Advanced Warfare, try doing a live event on my channel to see what people think of it and to see how it works. I would love to be able to do more live events on my channel because I have the advantage of getting all the people actively watching my channel into the live event. With the advanced settings, promote through featured content when event is live. So you have the settings on this page that you can drive all of the people into actually interacting with you in an event. Very good thing to try. I've done some live streaming on Twitch, not too much, twitch.tv, and I've seen a lot of other people who have had big success with having a live stream audience. So I'm going to try that too, and this is where you do it. It's just like setting up a YouTube video in terms of getting the information up. So there's the title, and then you've got the description, you've got the keywords, and then you've got the message you can share on Google+. And then you can either do a quick one using Google Hangouts, or you can do a custom one that has more encoding options. So if you have something like I'm doing tomorrow that is going to be a live stream with the new zombie map release, and I've got hours scheduled for it, and these things are very important for me to be able to test out how things work on YouTube so I can use them for my business too. You want to try and do it before the actual event's live. Same as doing a webinar or anything else similar. You want to test it out to make sure everything works once you've got it all set up before your audience actually is sitting there watching. So I did a video before and I thought I had the commentary on, and then 3 hours of video, no commentary on it. Whoops. So you want to test this out beforehand. So what you can do is just create an event here and do it like that. So that's what I'm going to do. I will just create a quick title and description. I will run through the advanced settings with you, and then I will click create an event. I will get this event started at 9 a.m. and just run it for a little while. I want to see how the entire event comes out for real. So I'm going to actually play the zombie maps on the day before, test this out, and make sure it actually comes out right. So I'm going to do exactly what I'm sharing with you to do. So this is your opportunity to test out a live event, and you might be able to make your next viral video out of doing it this way. I believe live events upload straight on YouTube, so it's a lot faster than trying to stream something on your own or record it on your own and then upload it. So if you've got something time sensitive, that's very important. And what then you can do is advertise it or make whatever else you want to out of it. So I'm going to make this event and then finish it off and show you what happens when I hit create an event. Now you can see I've went through and added the description and the basic info the same as I would for a regular YouTube video. I've set up my Google Plus to share, and now I go into advanced settings. I want to enable live chat. Live chat is where I can actually interact with people while they're watching. Very cool. I want to switch my category to gaming, put the recording date on today, make the video stats available, allow comments, users can view ratings, enable DVR so that people can go back. Very good idea. Broadcast delay, the amount you see in the player and the amount the viewers see. Introducing the delay helps ads inserted, but I'm not running ads, so then I'm not going to worry about putting a delay on it. And I can put this on my channel page when the event's live, and I can promote through featured content. But however, if I have something like a webinar I want to do in the future, then I could put it as early as a week beforehand. So this will be an opportunity for me to test out some cool stuff on my channel. What I'm going to do right now, it's 8:24 a.m. I created to start it at 9, and I'm going to give this a test run to see how it comes out, and I'm not clicking on monetization. Then what I do is I click create event. And now what YouTube can let me know is how exactly I can get an actual video feed in here. So what I have time to do now is figure out how I can get my, as YouTube calls it, ingestion settings. Oh, that's not a good way to do it. So what I can do then is select a bit rate and get an actual image working on my live stream. So what I've got already, I've got my Elgato Game Capture HD, I've got it over here. So then what I want to do is set that up so that YouTube will create the stream in there. So what I want to do is do this test Elgato Game Capture HD, and then I can just put the title in there. And what it says on my bit rate on here is 5.5, so I should be able to run it in this window. And I hit save changes. And now I've got it in here. But what I have to do is set up a way to actually get it in. Right now I don't have anything I'm actually streaming in here. Now YouTube has a program called Wirecast, and that might work good. But what I'd rather do is try and see if I can get it straight in there from what I'm actually using. So the nice thing is, I've found exactly where the setting is. So if I go to my Elgato Game Capture HD and I click on the little live streaming button, then it's got the event set up right here. So all I have to do is click start streaming to that. How sweet is that? So that's the nice thing when you're doing this for video game capturing. Now, at the same time, you could always just use your camera to do this if you're trying to do a webinar, or you could use any other kind of thing you've got set up for it. You could set up a screen capture. But however you do it, this is how you get your live event set up on YouTube. And then what I'll do is let you know how this actually went. And eventually, I will continue to provide more details on how to set up different kinds of events. So if you want to set up some kind of video game streaming or streaming from another device, like a TV, then this Elgato Game Capture HD works really good for that. And it's in my filming equipment setup. And the coolest thing is you could theoretically even watch something on TV. Now, you might have copyright issues, but you could still watch it and comment on it live and do that as a live event. So there's all kinds of cool things you can do with this potentially. So thank you for watching this, and I hope this has been helpful in showing you up how to set up a live stream on YouTube.